Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Google Forms for quizzes. First, navigate to Google Forms and choose the blank quiz option to begin. You'll want to give your quiz a descriptive title and a short explanation for your participants. Crucially, access the Settings menu to ensure it's configured as a quiz, allowing you to assign point values to each question and enable automatic grading for multiple-choice answers. This initial setup is vital for a smooth and effective assessment experience. Now, let's dive into designing your quiz questions. Google Forms offers several question types, such as multiple choice, checkboxes, short answer, and paragraph. For each question, you must designate the correct answer and assign a specific point value, perhaps 1 point for simpler questions. Consider using sections to group related questions, which can improve the flow and clarity of your quiz for participants. This structured approach makes the quiz more user-friendly and organized. Once your questions are set, it's time to personalize and distribute your quiz. You can customize the quiz's appearance by selecting different themes, colors, and fonts to match your branding or preference. Always preview your quiz before sharing to catch any errors or formatting issues. When ready, share the quiz by sending a direct link via email or embed it directly onto a web page for broader access. This ensures your quiz is both visually appealing and easily accessible to your intended audience. Finally, let's look at how to review and manage quiz responses. All submissions are automatically collected within Google Forms, and you can also link them to a Google Sheet for more detailed analysis. For questions like short answer or paragraph, you will need to manually review and assign points. After grading, you can release scores to your participants, providing them with immediate feedback on their performance. This comprehensive review process helps you understand participant comprehension and refine future quizzes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.